modern and modest Hijabi tutorials, әдемі оңай орамал тағу.
Assalamualeikum. I got a little confession. Oh na. I've fallen in love with a sister, Hijabi. I saw her only yesterday. Oh na. She's made for me, it's destiny. Shall I make her my girlfriend?
That's haram.
Okay, I'll make her my wife.
That's halal.
But let me first date her.
That's haram.
Okay, I'll call her father.
That's halal.
I just want her halal habibi. I just want her halal habibi. Habibi halal habibi. Habibi halal habibi. So then I called her father. Oh na. He said first let me talk to your father. Okay, I'll tell him. But my father said I'm way too young. Oh na. And not financially ready. Fine. Shall I make her my girlfriend?
That's haram.
Okay, I'll make her my wife.
That's halal.
But let me first date her.
That's haram.
What do I make her then? That's halal. I just want her halal habibi. I just want her halal habibi. Habibi halal habibi. Habibi halal habibi. That I know I should've lowered my gaze, but now I want to spend the rest of my days with this girl. She can't be replaced. She is pious, she helps my faith. Son, you ain't got security. How you gonna raise a family? How you gonna pay for her dowry? Live your life and take it easy. Dada can work, I will provide for her. You're just making things hard for me, and you're making zina easy for me. Need your help, Dad, can't you see? Okay, son, don't do her wrong. Never ever displease Allah. I will help you, son, inshallah. You got my blessings, alhamdulillah. I just want her.
Видеоны каналға жазылып қоңыраушаны басыңыз. If you like this video, please subscribe and click the notification bell button below. Если вам понравился видео, подпишитесь и нажмите на колокольчик.